This is a true story. Last winter, at exactly 2:17 a.m., my phone vibrated once. No sound, just a message. It was an emergency alert, but it didn't look right. No logo, no warning tone, just one sentence. This message was not meant for public release. I checked the news. Nothing. Social media was quiet. In the morning, officials said no alert was sent. They blamed a system glitch. That night, my neighbor asked if my phone went off too. Then another person, all different phones, same message. By sunrise, screenshots were gone. I searched government databases weeks later. One classified file matched the timestamp. It was locked, permanently sealed. Sometimes at night, my phone lights up by itself. No message, just static. I still wonder if that alert ever stops being hidden.